Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this fun Thanksgiving look. Thanksgiving is literally around the corner, so I thought I would do a look that embodies Thanksgiving to me. We're going to be using two of Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes today, the Sultry or Norvina palette, and we are going to start with the Norvina palette. I'm just going to start with the color Eccentric and blend that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the color Passion and blend it into my crease and lid, but leaving the center clean. Next, cut out your lid. I'm using Huda's Overachiever Concealer in Coconut Flakes. Then I'm going to dip into the Sultry palette and I'm going to use this color right here called Teak and just blend that where we cut the crease. Then take Steampunk and blend that on the outer half of the lid. Then take the colors Passion and Eccentric again and blend that on the lower lash line. Then I took NYX liquid liner in white and I did a cat eye without closing in the bottom. Next, take Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Liner in Lucky Bitch and outline the crease. For lashes, I'm using Sumptuous Beauty Lashes in style Sumptuous. And lip, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in color Cool Brown. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.